Okay guys, so we just spotted this mangrove pit viper, Trimesurus purpuromaculatus. So yeah, it's here in the mangroves, obviously. Oh, now it's actually turning its head, kind of. You can almost see it. We're trying to maneuver the boat around a bit.
Okay.
As you can see, it's actually pretty long.
Yeah, it's a decent size.
Yeah, it's a nice size one.
Fresh. Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the mangrove pit viper. You can see it's a beautiful snake. Yeah, their scientific name kind of states that they have a purple hue to them, which they sometimes do, but like with all snakes there's quite a bit of variation, so. But this one still, you can see kind of a pattern, but all in all it really looks like is just a mangrove root, and that's obviously what they want to, because they have to blend in. So they probably feed on pretty much everything that comes along. They'll eat a bird, a fish, a lizard, whatever. And yeah, they're pretty chilled out. I mean, this thing is just sitting on my hook and it's pretty happy about it. Well, it's not very happy. You can see the S-shape of the neck, so it's ready to strike if it gets annoyed. Other than that, just a beautiful snake. And now that we've bothered it enough, as we always do for my videos, I'm gonna let it go. So we'll just let it go right here into the water, and you can see they're quite good swimmers. It swims off, and it's probably gonna look for some mangroves it can climb on and then chill. So very nice, very happy with it, very beautiful animal. It was just an awesome experience, guys. And the thing is, we were driving here in the mangroves, and before we came it was absolutely pouring down with rain. Like we're both soaking wet, and we thought maybe we won't find anything, and then Elliot spotted it, so great spot. And yeah, let's see if we find another one. If not, that's good as well, because we obviously found what we came for.